Hi children, good afternoon to everybody. Okay children, we have started lesson number 1, growing plants. Yes or no children, 5th class children. Once again you see, open your textbook, page number 147, growing plants. I told you in the previous class, reproduction through seeds. How the reproduction will be going on in the seeds. I told you no? Yes, reproduction how? Some seeds are not, already I told the flowers change into fruits. First the flower will change into fruit. In that fruits we have seeds. Some fruits only will have one seed, but some fruits have many seeds. In the same way, all the seeds will not grow into a new plant. Only some seeds will grow into a new plant. Because why all the seeds will not grow into a new plant? Because what are the reasons? See the reasons. Open your textbook children. Read. See children. Some seeds are not fully developed when they get separated from parent plant. Parent plant means separate aipotunga. When they are coming from the parent plant, some seeds will not develop fully, but they will separate from parent plant. Some seeds are eaten up by birds or animals. Konni seeds, birds, animals will be eaten. That's why some seeds also will not grow into new baby plant. Some seeds are destroyed by strong winds and heavy rains. Konni seeds, strong winds valla, heavy rains valla kuda they will destroy. Some seeds do not get enough air, water or soil. Konni seeds ki air, water, soil dorukata. Konni seeds will spoil. In the same way, I told you about the reproduction, how the reproduction will be going on in seeds in previous class. Now, we will study about the parts of a seed. Actually, what are the parts of a seed? You must read. See children, open your textbook. Clearly see children, open your textbook. I will show the diagram. In the same way, you must go through what I am reading in the textbook. Catch your pencil, underline the hard words while reading the lesson, and listen carefully. First you see, a seed is actually a tiny life support package. Seed anedi chala tiny, it is a tiny life. It has a very little life. All seeds have 3 parts, but every seed has 3 parts. See, first seed coat. Seed coat. Adi chudadamma. This is seed coat. See in your textbook, see children. Seed coat. By the cover. Seed kundu cover ni seed coat anantaru. Okay, that brown color will be called as seed coat. See children, the opening. See here, the white color is shown no. That is called opening in the seed coat. This is called opening in the seed coat. From this only a new baby plant will come. Once again, see children, what is the cover outside the seed have, that is called seed coat. Here the opening of the baby plant is called opening in the seed coat. Here the opening will be going on and the new baby plant will be coming out. See now, first we will read about seed coat. Seed coat, it is a tough outer covering of the seed that protects the seed from damage, diseases or being eaten up by birds and animals. See, seed coat with the seed coat dwara. See that seed coat is there no? That is a very tough, it will be very tough outer cover. Gattiga untundannamata. It protects from diseases. Etuvanti disease raakunda kaapadaniki seed coat ఉపయోగపడుతుంది, and no birds will come and eat that seed. And the seed coat has tiny openings through which air and water can enter the seed. This seed coat paina chinna openings untayi. Air, water ivanni veltandi. If the air, water, sufficient air and water will go, then only the new baby plant will come out. Okay, that is called seed coat. When coming to the embryo, it is a baby plant that is present inside the seed. In the lobula, inside the seed, baby plant will be there. That is called, after germination, it grows into a small sample. This seed lopala by see, there is an opening is there no? From that a small baby plant will come. Okay, while germination is going on, the small baby plant will be coming out. That is called inside the, see how inside the mommy's stomach baby will be there. In the same way, in the seed, inside the seed a baby will be there. That inside is called embryo. Inside the seed a baby plant will be grown. While coming to the seed leaves are cotyledons. The cotyledons contain stored food which is used by the baby plant for growth. Inside the seed, what the baby plant will need to grow, those contents will be present inside the seed. That helps that seed to grow into a baby plant. Some plants like rice and corn. Rice ante telusu kada, biyamu corn ki they have only one cotyledon. Ante ila rendu bhagalu, rendu vidaluga divide avvu. It will have only one side. Okay? But while in some plants, peas, gram, beans, student peas, slowly, gram, slowly, the seed will divide into two parts. See here. This is the seed of the bean. Seed divided into two parts. See, two cotyledons will be there. Two seed siblings will be coming outside. Okay? This is called, once again see children, this is the part of a seed I told you. This is the seed. Outside cover is called seed coat, and this is the opening of the seed. Okay? See here. In this opening, the baby plant will be coming out. Inside the embryo, the baby plant will grow. But outside the cover, small pores will be there. It will take sufficient air, water and sunlight. With the help of that, the baby plant will be coming out. This is the parts of the seed. See children, take out the pencil, underline the hard words. See, draw this diagram in a white paper. Okay, and send to sir. Okay, if any doubts, ask the doubts also. While coming to the germination, see children, already we have studied about germination. In the 4th class only we completed germination of seed. When seed gets the right amount of air, water, sunlight, it grows into a new plant. This seed ki sarpoye water or sunlight correct ga in sufficient ga vaste, that their germination will be going on and a new plant will be coming out from the seed. See here, this is a seed, this is the soil and this is the sun. Every day if we keep water, small seedlings, small baby plants will be coming out. If while germination is going on, correct air, water, sunlight and the soil also must be in a good condition. If these are in a good condition, the small baby plant will come out correctly. See, what do you mean by germination? When a seed gets a right amount of air, water and sunlight, it grows into a new plant. Seed local nunche bayatiki new baby plant vastadi. For example, you see, if you take any mango seed, keep inside the soil, daily you keep some water. From that seed, you will get a new baby plant. See, let us observe. See again, the development of a seed into a seedling is called germination. Chudandi, this seed, daily it is seed. Seed swells upon observing water. Soon the seed coat cracks. Water manu daily veyadam valla that seed coat untadi kada, cheppanu kada, bite cover will be swell and it will crack. A small white structure appears. See, paina top lo chudandi chinna white color bite kochindi, which starts growing downwards. Kindaki perugutundi. There are two seedlings. Chudandi cheppanu kada, కొన్ని seeds ki rendu seedlings ఉంటాయి, cotyledons rendu ఉంటాయి. Chudandi like this, it separates into two parts. Seedlings which have the stored food form for the cotyledons. ఇందు లోపలే ఫుడ్ కూడా స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటది. A structure a new shoot called plumen anthers which develops into the shoot system. Shoot బయటికి చూడండమ్మా, లోపల ఉన్నది root system. But what is outside the soil, it is a shoot system. The seed will be inside, that is a root system. The shoot, the baby plant will come outside, that is called shoot system. See, a seedling emerges. The cotyledons soon shrink in size. The growth seedling uses the stored food. In this way, the germination will be going in the process. See children, you also do what I am saying here. Take some beans or gram seed in a dish. Okay, గిన్నెలోని ఏమైనా beans కానీ అలాంటి seeds ఏమైనా తీసుకోండి. Place some moist cotton both open above and below. Put the seeds in a warm sunlight place. You can now observe the different stage of germination within a period of a week. Make sure the cotton is damp at all the times. చూడండమ్మా, మనం ఈ germination చాలా సార్లు క్లాస్ లో చేసాం. You take some seeds, put it in a wet cloth. After a few weeks, you will see the small plants are coming out. In your house, do this germination process also, children. Okay, the seedling that grows into two directions. One part grows downwards and from the root system. The other part will go upwards. See, I told you, seedling ఈ ప్రాసెస్ టూ సిస్టమ్స్ ద్వారా జరుగుతుంది. ఒకటి రూట్ సిస్టమ్. రూట్ అంటే మట్టి లోపల, సాయిల్ లోపల ఉండేదాన్ని రూట్ సిస్టమ్ అంటారు. That after that soil, that is called shoot system. That means remaining part of the plant will come under shoot system. Stem, branches, leaves, fruits, flowers, these all come under shoot system. Only the roots will come under root system. The seedling process will go in two types. One is shoot system and the one is root system. Okay children, tomorrow we'll read remaining lesson. Take the pencil. Okay, underline the hard words. I told you to draw the structure of a bean seed. Draw this picture and draw the germination picture also and put it in the sir's WhatsApp. Okay children, draw very neatly with colorings. Okay, bye children.